Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer alcoholic. We'll cover the essential steps to transform simple ingredients into a flavorful, fermented beverage. Understanding this process is key to successful homebrewing. We'll start by looking at what makes beer alcoholic, then move through the critical stages of brewing. Get ready to learn the magic behind your favorite brews. Fermentation is where the magic truly happens. After preparing your sugary liquid, called wort, you introduce yeast. This amazing microorganism consumes the sugars, converting them into ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide gas. This process gives beer its alcoholic content and natural carbonation. Maintaining the correct temperature, often between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit for ales, is vital for healthy yeast activity and optimal flavor development. Several factors influence the final alcohol content of your beer. The initial amount of fermentable sugars in your wort is the biggest driver. More sugar means more potential alcohol. The specific yeast strain you choose also plays a significant role, as some can tolerate and produce higher alcohol levels than others. Additionally, the fermentation time and even the mash temperature during the initial brewing steps can affect how much sugar is converted, ultimately impacting your beer's ABV. Safety and sanitation are paramount in home brewing. Always clean and sanitize all equipment meticulously to prevent contamination, which can spoil your batch. Ensure your brewing area is well ventilated, especially during fermentation, to manage carbon dioxide levels. Be cautious with hot liquids and brewing chemicals, wearing protective gear like gloves and goggles. Finally, store your finished beer in a cool, dark place for proper conditioning, and enjoy your homemade creation responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.